So I did install more of the parts. I just forgot to record it beforehand, before I unboxed everything else. But um, I did get further. My brother actually did the pinhole kit one day I was working. So here he got that in. I got the pulley. They're locked tight in there. I went ahead and changed out the tensioner for the AC. That way I don't have to go back in there, because what's gonna happen is, to get to that one, I have to take out the supercharger belt, then the accessory belt, and then the AC belt. So I went ahead and changed that out, so to avoid any issues later on. And other than that, I just got to put the intercooler and the piping, and we're set. We're golden now. Um, I am trying to get better at recording, so very sorry about that. But yeah, there you go. It wasn't too bad. All right, guys, I'll update you with more here in a little bit. So I'm back. Based on the last tip, I got even further this time. Me and my brother went ahead and installed the AC condenser, the radiator, and the fans. And we also put the belt on. Sorry, trying to get better right. So everything's installed at this point. However, I did show a short that had the intercooler, which is the. Let me show you. The Mishimoto one. However, we're not gonna put this one on this one, because um the way we want to install it, we could not install it, so we're gonna install a different one, which my other brother already did. He did it while I was at work, so we can get a little bit more ahead. Let me show y'all. Sorry for the little mess right here. Let me get my light down there. It's hard to see because we're too close, but here's the intercooler. Here's the line. Here's a little thing he made so the intercooler doesn't go back and forth. Sorry, if I had it more up, I could show you exactly what's going on, but he already installed it. And as you can see through here, it's right there. But we got that. The next thing, we're trying to figure out the piping. So a lot of these are already cut. We're waiting on some of the elbows and other stuff that we had ordered. We also got this side kind of mocked up, and we just got to figure this out. And then we got to put the blow off valve. But other than that, that's what we got. What I'm doing right now is, since we had to cut some of these pieces off, as you can see, that one has like a bead to it, so the sleeve can go over it. Well, the ones we cut off don't have it. And I went ahead and purchased a bead roller right here. I had one. And I was kind of like doing it right here. This is just a mock-up piece. It's pretty easy. You just tighten this every revolution, and just spin it and just keep on going. But that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. We did a lot of work without showing y'all. But it's because I've been working and he's been working. So other than that, we're almost done. The only thing is, I am going to let y'all know what some things we encountered because of how how we're setting this up is that line right here. We had to bend it just a little bit because it was touching the hose a little bit too much. Then when we were mocking up the intercooler pipe, there was a plastic piece down on that corner that we had to cut off so it can hug it better. Um, it's a little piece like this big. So that wasn't too bad. And what we encountered as well is we're gonna have to move our overflow tank from right here to about right here. So we're gonna have to make a bracket for it, which again is something we kind of already planned for. But that's what we're gonna do, and after that, we just got to do some little things, and we're done. Hopefully on the next video, I'll show you more of what's going on. Maybe 2 weeks soon, maybe, I don't know. It depends on my brother, but that's it for the moment.